Hey all, it's Brian here. Just letting you know about the 2 days of tracking I've been having with the cryptocurrency for today. Actually, I'll give you the complete synopsis on July 3rd, July 4th, and today, July 5th. All right, let me go to the computer here. Now, this is my Linux desktop. These are the positions so far with both the 3rd and 4th of July. The 3rd has, now when you get that big sum there of $34, 15 wins out of 28 positions, win-loss ratio at 53%. One thing that needs to be factored is during the live trading, there were a lot of positions that ended up at zero. This is all paper trading, so I'm still needing to tweak those type of positions. The system's right now programmed to cut trades once it hits zero, but on an exchange, it's going to be a different story on the overall P&L on real live trading. So we're just testing this right now. So let me go back to the computer here. So showing you the July 3rd of that. So yesterday, July 4th, P&L 10%. Again, that is all because of one Bitcoin position to bring up the overall sum. So Bitcoin can distort the overall P&L because they can be like $10 or $30. You can see there 6 wins out of 11 positions, and again there's a bunch of positions that ended up zero, breaking even, which I don't include, and then that had a win-loss ratio of 54%. Now I'm not like taking a look at the live markets for Bitcoin lately. The markets look like it could come back later today. I might be able to show that to you, but I just want to show you the current overall crypto market space. So right there, that's the only position P&L that I've had this morning or midnight. Ethereum Classic. When I go over to the risk, which is just updated, you can see here it was quite negative earlier today, but everything seems to be kind of going back to positive right now, with Ethereum Classic leading the way, but Bitcoin Cash at 0.22 and Ethereum at 0.54%, and a few laggards of Litecoin and Bitcoin at slightly negative. I do suspect that those pricing, those coins will come back positive, just the way I've seen it. So that's what I expect. I just want to show you the overall P&L of those 2 days since I started this. Things to be learned. Worthwhile positions are, if I go back, we had 28 positions on the 3rd. It really depends upon the activity of the market. If it's busy, you might get positions of up to 30, 40 a day in a good market. When it's active, this is only momentum based. Yesterday there were 11 positions, so it's a bit quieter. So right now it's very quiet because it was strongly negative today. So what I'm saying is, when I do launch the signaling service, that's what you would expect to get for a number of positions per day, between 20 to 40 a day in an email, and it's times 2, one for the entry, one for the exit. So that's what I'm looking at right now for momentum based. On top of Forex, when I tested this, Forex was good. With 8 positions, which were all positive, but that again depended upon the market. I've been tracking the Forex in the last few days as well, but they're not taking, the entries are not taking for some reason, because there seems to be so much volatility in the Forex market right now, which I haven't seen, and it's only for 3 types of Forex pairs. Euro, Australian dollar, still the most common based upon the order book, what I'm seeing. So that's what I'm seeing there too. So I'm still trying to figure out how to get the entries to work and get a higher probability of profit. Now, regarding these P&L, they are a lot lower than what has been reported. These are real P&L, or real P&L off of paper trading. Well, it's data from from Kraken. That's crypto. So I've been doing this for a year and a bit, many different ways. I think when you start to get into anything above 50% win-loss ratio is pretty good. and you take it and you just shut up and you move on and start working into other new areas. Maybe you can tweak it better with machine learning and take these potential profitable positions and learn the patterns over time that make those profits over time in a machine learning type of model, I guess. So I'll be setting that up for crypto, and it's different for each asset class of crypto and forex. Now, one thing I have not mentioned here is CFD. CFD, I'm starting to track again. Back to the computer, right there. So CFD, this is what's on the watch list right now, but don't trade them. But it's good for the markets to just get an overall idea. Right now, oil, a massive shorting opportunity right now for oil. It did go up, I believe, earlier today at some point. Somebody was reporting on my chat server. Some of the coins or some of the commodities been doing quite well. So do keep that in mind with the CFDs. That's what it's good for. I mentioned that before in one of my webinars I put up last Monday. So that's pretty well it. Just wanted to let you know about the track record, the realistic track records, I'm calling it now. Anything over 50% I'd be pretty happy with, and it is clearing decent profit, but that's because of if you get that Bitcoin position right, you get nice profit. And we'll leave it at that. So just wanted to show you what's been going on, and we shall talk to you later.